Hey there guys, what's going on today? Welcome to another unboxing video from MKF30. So I just got this in the mail here, and well, not just now, I mean early today I should say. I dropped it, unfortunately, but not, I just heard things clinging around, but I don't think I broke anything. So we have, this is something brand new from when I went to buy this the other day, off of their site, and they linked me to Target, because apparently Target's the only place that sells the green one, it would seem, the Nitro Shot Solo. Plus Nitro Shot Plus Solo green. I saw this on there and I'm like, what's this thing? So it's apparently another blaster within the Solo series. Kit de Blaster. Build it yourself. Construisez vous-même. I'm assuming that's French. I'm sure I butchered that. Apologies. 2 shell colors. So yeah, so pretty much you see everything here. Everything you see here you get in the box. So you get 10 darts, you get the blaster itself, but it's in pieces, you gotta put together. 14 plus, made in Vietnam, primetoys.com. One set. So I think this is roughly like 25 bucks and change. This is what you get on the back there. So not too many pieces. I did watch like the preview overall video because it would seem that there's, oh yeah, watch to assemble. Or you could watch this. I wonder if that links you to the same video. But here's the thing. What is with these stupid QR codes lately? Like, yeah, I bought some two-way radios a few weeks back, and it was the same thing. There's nobody... just include little manuals anymore? Like, what the hell? I don't have this app because it takes up room on my phone, so I don't like it. I just prefer, give me an old school little manual, instruction booklet, whatever. But yeah, so you got 2 different shell colors here. You got white, you got red, you got the blaster, the barrel nozzle, you know, it's orange by default. You got the thing that shoots the darts when you clock it, when you, yeah, I'm sorry, I don't know the technical name for this thing. 12 darts? They give you 12? Oh, okay, I thought it was 10. Even better. And then you get quick flip action, just like the other ones. So, let's open this bad boy up. Wait, let me just get my knife here. I just see a little, you know what? Oh, okay, I don't open from the other way. Okay. A little different than the other box. Alright, so put that to the side. Darts. Alright. Nozzle. Same with all the pieces. I guess these are the shells. Yep. And the darts. What are these called? I almost said bamboozle in my head. There's a certain name for these darts, and I can't think of it right now. It starts with a B. Let me just put that back there. Come on, little guy. Get back in there. Alright. I'll put that to the side for now. Alright. Put my knife away. Got my trusty screwdriver ready. Alright. I have like a little toolkit here, so these screws look very small from the video, so I got like the small one. I'm assuming that should be the one. If not, I got a few sizes here, so. Alright. So, like I said, from what I remember watching the overall video that it links you to, there's only a couple pieces. I don't really build stuff outside of chairs, you know, drawers, stuff like that, basic stuff. So, I'm not like a hardcore modder or nerf head, you know, like I said, I'm a casual. So, like I said in the other video, I had a lot of Nerf toys and guns, you know, when I was a kid growing up in the 80s and 90s. And then I kind of fell off the hobby for many years. But I gotta say, it's crazy how much power these things have now compared to back then. Okay, so wow, it's a lot of pieces here. Let me just carefully see, maybe so you guys can see. Sorry about that. All right. Carefully shake everything out. All right, that bag there. Whoa. Okay, these screws are very tiny. You know, I'm gonna separate the screws and put them on my bed here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was gonna say I thought I saw more in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Only 5 screws. Let me check the bag again. Get in here. Okay. So 5 screws. Wait, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Okay, I guess that's all. I thought I saw another one in there, but perhaps I was mistaken. What's that? Oh no, was that there? What was that? Was that part of the thing? Yeah. I don't know. Whatever. What the hell was the other? I thought there was supposed to be. No? Thought I saw something in the bag there. Maybe I miscounted. Okay, whatever. Like I said, I'm a total noob with this thing, so I don't know what the hell. What is this thing? What the, oh, there it is. It must have got stuck in this thing. Is it supposed to come out? Or okay, I think that's supposed to go in there. Yeah. Okay, let me just get situated here. You know what? Let me just look at the back of the box here. This way, alright, got that piece, this piece. Springs. So the springs were separate. You know what? The spring was already attached to this thing. It's separate on the thing here. See? But I'm not going to touch anything. You know, sometimes I notice with these things, they'll kind of have certain parts pre-attached. So I'm not going to, you know, less work for me, the better. Okay. I thought something was attached to this part before or something. I don't know. Hey, you know, whatever. You know, I'll take the extra help. Like I said, I don't build these things. So, all right. Got all the screws there. What shell to use? Because you could use either a red, you know, you could do half white, half red, or you could do 2 white or 2 red. But I've always thought that red and orange kind of, it looks kind of cool, but it also gives like a very kiddie aesthetic. I don't know if that makes any sense. I think I'm gonna go red. I gotta rock red, right? You know, Ermac sector. What's that? Like a piece of plastic broke there. Is that like that on the other one? Yeah, it's like that on the other side too. Well, the white ones. The white ones have that. Yeah, I guess that's just the way they're sculpted, molded, whatever. I'm gonna use red. I like red more than white, and gotta represent, right? Sector Ermac, my boys in MK. All right, alrighty. So put this thing out. Shotgun, triple barrel there. I don't know. Kind of reminds me of like those pirate guns, you know, way back where they would have like a dual shot or whatever. Yeah. All right. So put you there, here. Let's get started. So let's see. Put this here. Oh, there we go. All right. Yep, that looks about right. Okie dokie. This is definitely like the safety switch. This thing Where's this thing go? Okay. Oh, I think I know where that goes. So I'm gonna put that there. This is the trigger. Ah, okay. This must go. Nope. I think. Yep. All right. Yeah. Okay. There we go. I think that must go there. Yeah, that looks about right. I'm trying to remember. I do have some bit of a photographic memory from the video. I think this piece, yes, this piece. Oh, wait a minute. There we go. There's a hole there. What was it like this? Oh, it might have gone. Hold on. Looks like there's a piece there, and that's got to fit in there. Maybe like that. Oh. Sorry if I'm... Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there we go. There's a... Okay. There we are. And see, there's a little knob there. So it goes like that. And this thing's kind of finicky here. A little finicky. Apologize. Okay. Oh, there we go. Alright. Things are annoying. You gotta have, like, dinky hands for this stuff. Alright, so that goes like that. We got the trigger mechanism. This is definitely the top, because I recognize it from the other blaster. The other solo. So I'm guessing that goes there. Put that there. Okay. Seems about right, right? This thing... Where does this thing go? Oh, I think I got it. I think it goes like that. What do you think? That looks good. Alright. Now, I think, from what I remember, again, going off of memory here, I think this went here. Alright. Goes like, oh, okay. Nice. Sweet. Can't believe I just remembered all that from that video. That video was, and then I think he lifted this part up, right? The guy from Dart Zone. And you lift it, you put it in this little slot, yeah. Okay, see, I do much better watching other people do it and then just memorizing it, as opposed to, you know, little scan QR code directions. Alright. Okay. And, oh, there we go. Alright, now I gotta just use a shell. Put the shell in there. Alrighty. Alright, I think we're all set. Oh, no, wait a minute. I think I screwed something up. Yeah, I forgot the damn safety switch. Alright. Okay. Where do you go now? Nope. I think you go here. Like that. Oh, yeah. That must be right. Okay. Yep. Alright. Trigger. Yep. Awesome. Okay. Now we screw. Alright. That's what she said. Alright. So, alright. So you get these little itty bitty things here. Okay. Magnetic. It's a little annoying. Oh my god. Are you serious right now? See, this is an instance where I actually don't like magnetic screwdrivers. Because he keeps pulling the damn thing out. Alright. Okay. I think I screwed something up. Oh. Oh no, I don't. Okay, I got it. Alright, whatever. I think you're supposed to hold this and. I don't know, whatever. Oh no, no, okay, I see. That just released the match. Alright. I thought it locked it from the other way. Alright, so I got the darts here. My battery's about to die, so I gotta be quick here. Sorry about that, guys. Alright. Got the 3 darts here. Tested it out. Alright. There's the target. Right there. See how it is. Ooh. Did I get all 3? And 3 targets at once? Hell of a shot. Gotta say 10 out of 10. You know, I'll say 9 out of 10. It's not quite as powerful as the this one, but still gets the job done. Comment, rate, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Dart Max Solo Blaster Kit. Pretty cool. I'm rocking the red and orange. Yeah. That was fun. Later. Merry Christmas, everybody.